get ready with me to go out for lunch with my daughter. ඉතින් මම මුණ ප්‍රෙප් කරලා තියෙන්නේ ඒකයි චුට්ටක් ඔයිලි වගේ පේන්නේ. I have used my serums, my sunblock, my moisturizer, and yes, now I'm going to use my primer. අද මම use කරන්නේ අලුත් primer එකක්. 12:55 වෙලාව බස් එක half 1 වලට තියෙන්නේ. ඉතින් half an hour තියෙන්නේ. ටක් ගාලා ඇස් දෙන්න ඕනේ. This is new. මං හිතුවේ මේක මෙච්චර ක්‍රීමි වගේ ඇති කියලා. background music එක මගේ washing machine එකේ. Please don't mind. පරක්කු වෙලා. හරි. අද මම use කරන්නේ foundation එක NYX එකේ Can't Stop Won't Stop කියන foundation එකේ number එක ඇවිල්ලා 47. මීට කලින් use කරලා නැහැ. Plus I usually use either my hands or either my hand or the beauty blender, but for the first time I'm going to use a brush. I don't know how it will come out as. And me foundation එකත් මම first time use කරන්නේ. Oh my days. 1 second. Oh yeah. අද ගොඩක් මේකප් මම අලුත් ඒවා යූස් කරන්නේ. ඉතින් බලමු. හදිසි වෙලාවට අලුත් ඒවා යූස් කරනවා කියන්නේ it's stressful honestly. Oh my god. Because you have no idea what the outcome might be. Oh. Okay. I can say that I'm not a big fan of using a brush for foundation. I mean, it's alright, but I think the beauty blender and the hands can do a better job. I'm using a bit more foundation. So please don't come at me because I said brush. I'm not a fan of brush because people's experiences can be different. What I like may not be your favorite, and what you like may not be my favorite. I think this brush is not dense enough. Maybe if I use a better kabuki brush with a bit more dense, then can be different, I guess. I don't know, but let me say something about the foundation. Love it. I love it. I love the color. I think it's perfect for me. Yeah, baby. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna be using this highlighter and bronzer duo. I mean contouring duo. This is from Barry M. Got lots of surprises today. And the contour. Oh, it's cool tone. I don't know if I like it. Alright, we'll see. I'm gonna use a small brush. Oh, wait, I forgot. I'm using I have never used liquid blush before. Oh my god, give me a minute. Oh wait, no, my socks over there. Okay. Let's blend. Elf එකේ camo liquid blush number I can't see, babe. I can't. හරි, එහෙනම් blend කරමු. Starting from the highlighter. Oh, nice. Oh, I hope I didn't mess up. Okay, took me some time. Now time to powder. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me. Alright. Okay, time for my brows. I'm using this brow palette from Makeup Collection something. I'm using the darkest brown. Starting from this end. Today I'm using this new pencil from PS. I don't even remember, guys. Some sort of a duo pencil. This side I'm gonna do a it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm gonna blend it in a while. It's really sunny today and it's really hot. It's 20 degrees. But you never know. In 5 minutes it can drop down to 10 or 8. And this end, the nude side, will go on my waterline. Did I just say water? I like the fact that they make your eyes like really open. Don't worry about the mess. It'll be fine. Wait for the end result. Okay. Now I'm gonna take a teeny weeny brush and blend this. And on top of this, I'm using this cream shadow stick from Bobbi Brown. Sort of brown. And then I'm gonna blend them together. You can use my finger or you can use a brush as well, but it doesn't really matter. Now I'm gonna take a small brush and use my powder bronzer on my crease line and just try to blend everything. You see, this is why I told you to trust the process. Okay. All right. Eyelash color. Okay, I'm using my Maybelline Sky High mascara. Oh, now you're talking. Okay, done using mascara. I don't even know I have this much lashes in me. This is really good. Okay, next we will be using our powder bronzer. So whatever the cream that you are using, you need to use powder on top to set it. So first I'm using my bronzer. This is from Rimmel. Yeah, Rimmel London. Slightly not. I'm gonna be using my NARS blush palette. No, it's not a blush palette actually. It has a bronzer and a blusher. It's a cute pink, bit shiny. Tap tap tap. Ah! Makeup Revolution London. Oh, I love it. My lip combo for today, this is from Silky Girl lip liner. And I'm using Sleek Matte Me. This is a cute brown shade, but I'm using this only on the outer side, like outer line. Very pigmented and very matte. And I'm using this lip glaze from number 7. This is a champagne color, but I don't know if it's not doing the justice. The camera is not doing justice to this. This is really cute. So I'm just gonna yeah. Oh, I love the makeup. Oh, wow, smells delicious. We're gonna have to wait. Okay, makeup is done. Let me do my hair, and if you want to see my outfit, give me a minute. See you soon. Alright, so my daughter was so against my brown lipstick, and I had to use a little bit of pink on it, and she said I look like a corpse, so I had to change it. The perfume I'm using is Miss Dior. Yeah. Let me show you my outfit. Okay, so here's my outfit. Here's my hair and my top, my leggings, my shoe. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Bye.